BharatBenz 1617 heavy-duty truck is powered by a 4-cylinder, 3907 cc, diesel engine that delivers out a maximum power of 170 bhp at 2500 revolutions per minute and a peak torque of 520 Newton meters at 1500 to 2000 revolutions per minute. Paired with a 6 forward plus 1 reverse mechanical synchromesh gears. Clutches 362 mm single dry plate, hydraulic control with clutch booster. The truck is available in 3 different wheelbases such as 5100 mm, 5900 mm and 6700 mm. Minimum ground clearance of the truck is 270 mm. The truck is available in 3 different load body lengths such as 20 foot, 24 foot and 31 foot. Gross vehicle weight is 16,200 kilograms and curb weight of the truck is 4,200 kilograms. Payload capacity of the truck is 12,000 kilograms. Suspension duties are handled by semi-elliptic leaf spring with shock absorbers at front and semi-elliptic laminated leaf spring at rear. Anti-roll bar at front and rear comes as optional. Brakes are pneumatic, foot-operated. Dual line with ABS. Truck comes with hydraulic power assisted steering. Cabin is tiltable, air conditioner comes as optional, sleeper cabin with berth, etc. Fuel tank capacity is 200 liters and Adblue tank capacity is 27 liters. Maximum gradeability of the truck is 21.5%. Top speed of the truck is 80 km per hour. BharatBenz offers 4 years or unlimited kilometers warranty on 1617 truck. BharatBenz 1617 is available in 3 attractive colors such as Arctic White, Golden Brown. Ex-showroom price of the truck is 15 lakh Indian rupee.